Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ki kes ki batma, ki bangiyo hado mentasni, ki long life kunda. East Castles, Katra, Argide ki armed forces, Kandre ki way. Ribhoy, Arfo, Nyogide ki armed forces, Katlai ki de ki way. East Janta Hills, Iway. Ki active case ki bangidan hado menta ki long, Sanspa Ndrew. East Castles, South Spa Katkandai. Nagini South Spa Katkandai, BSF Kandai Fuway, Kiway, Aspa Ndrufo, Armed Forces Ndrefufra. West Khasi Hills Ndrew, Southwest Khasi Hills Umdan, Ribhoy Krafulai, West Janta Hills Khatsan, East Janta Hills Ndrew, West Garo Hills Lifeway, Southwest Garo Hills R, South Garo Hills R, East Garo Hills Mdan, North Garo Hills R. Kibana recover Nantaka Sing Kilong Ndrew Nyo. Nagini ki Ndrew Nyo, East Khasi Hills Sanfu R, Sanfu ay gilay na po BSF, but iway na QA. Ribhoy R, East Janta Hills Katlai. The total number of recovered cases as of date has come to 490, and total expired is 6. Kamot kiba recover menta baro hado menta kasing kilong South Spa Kandai Fo, but kiba flat now kilong Ndrew.